Welcome to Keyshot for Rhino. During this course, we will work a lot with Rhino and Keyshot, mostly simultaneously. Let's talk about some general instructions and how the course will be developed. As you have seen before, the curriculum is based on 5 main aspects of Keyshot and is project-based. We will talk about Keyshot interface, materials and textures, lighting and environment, camera and animations, and post-production. This means that we will focus a chapter on learning essentials, features and tricks, and apply what we have learned to a 3D model at the end of the chapter. At the beginning of the class, you will find a folder with the class material and the projects to download and practice. So let's begin. Visit us at rhino3d.education, and while this course is a web, you can use the code Keyshot50 at checkout. Make sure to enroll and, at the time of checkout, add the coupon code over here and the new price with the code will be shown. So, what are you waiting for? Register now and begin learning with Keyshot for Rhino.